spindles and shit?
No, he won't sell spindles.
I think so.
Yeah, we've had people ask us before. Some people call and just ask to order spindles. He won't sell them.
Well, I'm gonna have to call him because if you don't sell me them, I'd rather buy them.
Right.
Well, I'll just make them myself. You tell him.
Well, you can make them. There ain't no laws against that.
Well, no. Well, why wouldn't you sell them to me?
You, like I said, that's
You gotta talk to him. That's his gig.
Is it?
Is it the same axle? Pretty
Maybe
close.
we should take this side off, huh?
They're usually either 7 5/8 to 7 3/4, but these are drum brakes, so
Yeah.
there's room for error. Christ.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep.
There's actually probably quite a bit of room for error, ain't there?
Yeah, with drum brake. Now, when you get disc brakes, it's a little tricky.
Yep.
Right.
You
yeah.
got to get in your caliper, right? Yeah.
Right.
7 3/4.
All right. Sparks are gonna fly.
Pretty cool process. Yep, a lot of them. Yeah, no shit, huh? There's Jesse. Say hi to YouTube, Jess.
Good. Hi.
Jess is doing gas line welding now, but he got laid off, so he's helping us out for a few days. Oh, look at this handsome bastard. Say hi to YouTube. Come on. Come on. What? What's he, a wanted man? He's
Well, it's either that or that valve's not working.
Did he turn them the wrong way, the adjusters?
I don't know.
What did he say? They won't set?
He said they've got no brakes.
Oh, no, that's all
He's
right.
gonna go
Fix it.
reset them up.
Look at him go. Look at him go.
Who's impact? That fuel? We got one, and that's a bad jam in
Yeah, yeah, it is.
It's like 1,400 pounds.
Oh, they're amazing. Yeah, we got a bunch of them.
Them sons of bitches are mean.
I know. Yep.
What one's that?
Look at that tool right there. Yeah.
I don't know if you
Like a
use
die
Dremel.
grinder.
Yeah.
If you don't use, I don't know if you use, that works slicker
Yeah,
than
it's
shit.
hell.
That's a nice tool. We like
It's nice
our.
when you don't have to drag an airline around.
Oh yeah.
Or
I'll tell you what.
electric
Yeah. And it lasts pretty good too. You get that bigger battery. They last
Yeah,
good.
yeah, they do.
Yeah, we use all Milwaukee. Oh, look at that. He's got a Milwaukee grinder. He's a Milwaukee man. He's a Millie Dilly. Millie Dilly. You might need him again anyway. Well, but if he sets them up, he's going to go set them up, and we're going to need them because I'll haul logs with this one, and then we'll drag the other one back in there. So this won't be long to fix. Some bearings are good, yeah, they'll get to the bearing. That's neat, and boy, that easy to make a well, huh? That's cool.
I'll try and buy these off of them. It's like, why
Oh, yeah,
not?
but they got a gig, you know. But they've done all their trademark and stuff, and it's, you know. I know. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's got the old Millie Dilly tool cranking. Millie Dilly. Millie Dilly.
Pretty slick.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's freaking awesome. Saves a lot of work, don't it? Keep a couple run, put the spindles. They burn up the spindles and then goes. He's going to start her welding. Got her all ground down nice. Gonna glue her back together. Keep America strong. Weld it.
What's that? Oh,
That's a pretty cool process. It'll be good to get this one back rolling. We got new seal and bearings. Got our oil. Should have this back running in an hour or so.
3 months ago, hard on Social Security.
What'd you say, Jim? Them 2 loaders and the
You
skidders.
gotta wait another 6 months for Social Security.
Old Jim's semi-retired, so yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Semi-retired Jippo logger, right?
Maybe you could write Social Security say you need a little raise because you got
Need a little advance.
Yeah. Yeah, tell him you need a low interest loan. What is that, 525 you got? That cat skidder, 525? 515, yeah. Cool, rod in his engine. 3304. Same as the engine nuts he was looking for a while back. Got his welder fired up. Rum, rum, rum. That's a nice welder. At 300, he's got elite, champion elite. Oh, I spoke too soon. It ain't gonna run.
Let's get past that point.
I'm surprised you ain't had one of them Miller. One of them
That's-
Miller 302 air packs.
That's,
The Miller owns Hobart.
They own what?
Hobart.
we got that Hobart on our sir. I love that thing, man. That's a nice welder, man.
Never let me down.
That air pack though, you can do everything
Oh,
with
I
that
know.
one machine.
Yeah, air arc, all that.
air
Yeah,
arc,
cool. Give
fire
her
feed,
old
the
Mike
forward.
Mike Berg, your buddy there. I've been watching his videos. Yeah, he likes his. Yeah. Pretty good egg. Yeah, man. Is CTP coming around? We can order some bearings, so we got a set if we need, you know.
He got in a car wreck.
What's
Dad
that?
got in a car wreck.
He did? What happened?
Fucked his leg up and
Aw,
crushed his shit like that.
well, that ain't good.
Somebody hit him.
Ooh, that ain't good. Jiggy jig jig. That's his jig he centers everything up with. Pretty neat. Ha, that's cool. Snot on a brass doorknob. That is cool. Want to shine her up? Oh yeah, there you go. Do some shining, y'all. The shiners. Guy don't mess around. DJ's getting her done.
Now, could you use MIG on that if you wanted to?
You could. We don't like to use MIG just because I have a tendency to cheat, put too much in per pass. When you're using a 332 rod, you're usually going
You
by
have to
thickness
build it up.
Yeah. That way you have to do it evenly. You get a MIG, you might want to just go too crazy.
That's what I'd do. I'd fill that sucker up first shot.
That.
Yeah, but if it pulls on you, then you're fucked.
Yep.
Right.
You cut it back off.
Neat.
That is true.
Yeah.
You do have a tendency to
Yeah, just go, yeah.
What do you think? The valve must not be working. I ended up here, back there, all rust, that doesn't rub through all of it. Alright, so your air tank didn't have any air in it. Right, that's further up then. That's not back at the valve. You're just
Well,
like
but
getting,
yeah, but with my handspike though, I'm not activated with handspike either, so that'd be the well.
Did you put antifreeze in it? Did you put antifreeze on both sides?
you gotta have air in your tank back there. If that tank is up to 120 pounds or whatever it carries, but if it's not getting any air
That's not.
from your truck, it should fill that tank.
Right. I'm getting it from the truck, but it's not coming into the back.
Okay,
it's just
so
got a
that's
blockage.
a different issue. That's a blockage in the line somewhere. It probably got ice in it.
Sitting here all night long, that little line.
That valve isn't gonna work unless you have a tank back there. The valve attaches to the tank. You're not getting any air in that tank. It's gotta be in line. If I would fill up unless there's another valve somewhere.
I filled up. First line is fly line, and when I took it off with fly line, I was clearing out. It's not going back through.
That's it. He'll tack that on the top, bottom,
Line off back here.
both sides, and then he'll take his jig off once he gets it to full, and then he'll just roll right around, I think. Pretty cool, huh?